Mheshimiwa Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, Dr. William Ruto, Mheshimiwa Naibu wa Rais Rigathi Gachagua, mawaziri, ndugu yangu na rafiki yangu Raymond na familia, wahubiri na wananchi na viongozi wote, amjamboni, Bwana asifiwe. Mheshimiwa Rais, kwa sababu ya masaa, niruhusu niseme mambo mawili. Jambo la kwanza ni kushukuru Raymond kwa kutuleta kanisani na kushukuru wahubiri kwa kutuhubiria, kwa sababu tumenufaika kukua hapa kama viongozi na kama watu ambao tumetoka sehemu mbalimbali. Raymond, tumefanya kazi ile wewe rais ulitupatia, ukatuambia tukusaidie pamoja na naibu wako kwa mambo ya usalama wa taifa letu la Kenya. Niko hapa kama mtu ambaye amefanya kazi na Raymond kusema ya kwamba Mheshimiwa Rais hukukosea kuchagua Raymond. Raymond ni mtu mwaminifu, and I can say without fear of contradiction, the choice of Dr. Raymond Omolo as PS for Internal Security was one of the most important decisions you made in your administration. Raymond is straightforward, he's a humble person, he is obedient to authority, he is disciplined, he is not given to drunkenness or other forms of indiscipline, and for that reason, between Raymond and I, Your Excellency, we will do the job you ask us to do so that we make your load lighter. Your Excellency, sir, finally, is to say that in our country at the moment, we are facing a number of security challenges. And now that we are here, we just want to restate, as you have guided us, Your Excellency, that your administration is the administration that will restore the trust of the people of Kenya in an orderly, organized society. And for that reason, I must admit, on Wednesday, we had some hitches in the security of our country when a few of our fellow citizens took advantage of the freedoms that are guaranteed in our Constitution to hurt other citizens, to damage their property, to paralyze business, and obstruct the rest of us. I assure you, Your Excellency, as you've directed me, I want to assure the people of Kenya that there will be no violence, there will be no obstruction of businesses, and there will be no loss of life and destruction of property on Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday, or any other day that any person would want to disrupt our public order. It happened, it won't happen. And I am sorry on behalf of the security sector, Your Excellency, for the trauma and the terror to which we put innocent Kenyans just because of a few criminals who think they are bigger than the country. Take it from us, from here in Homa Bay, there will be law, order, peace, tranquility, this week, next week, and every other day. Thank you, and God bless you. It's a pleasure, Your Excellency, to work with Raymond, and you have also taught us one thing. The ministers, all of us are not here for reasons which you know. So we have sent many of our colleagues to do some work for you because you have some guests coming into the country. The PSs who have been paraded here by PS Dubat represent the face of Kenya. You have taught us to believe in our country. You have taught us that from every part of Kenya, you can get a good person, a honest person, the same way you have gotten a good person in Raymond here in Homa Bay. So I want to thank you. We will follow your guidance, and we will not let you down in terms of bringing our country together and making every part of Kenya
members of parliament, senators, deputy governor,